Today, I'm gonna build a picnic table for my chickens, but first I need to clean my garage. That ought to do it. I am super excited. I've always wanted to do this. I saw somebody build a picnic table condiment holder, and I was like, man, that would be really cool for chickens. What inspired me to do it was this company, Grub Terra, reached out to me. I guess I'm officially a YouTuber now. And they said, hey, we'll send you a free 1 pound bag of black soldier fly larvae. And I thought, yeah, for sure. 20 bucks for a bag. You're going to give it to me for free. I'll take it. But that got me going, and I was like, all right, it is time to finally build this thing. Yeah, chick, 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 chick. Okay, summer picnic. Hey. Yeah, chick, 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 chick. You don't want me around. Yeah, chick, 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 chick. Every 1 pound of Grub Terra's dried black soldier fly larva equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from landfills. That's pretty cool. Taking what would have gone into a landfill and turning it into a productive product. That's pretty neat. Nutritional facts. This is really cool. There is 34% protein, 32% fat, 12% fiber, 1.5% calcium, 0.4% phosphorus, some moisture, and ash. So that's really, really good stuff for your chickens. This would be a great snack for them from time to time. Probably a little expensive to feed them all the time, but definitely would help them have stronger shells. I recommend this stuff. They're going crazy for it. Grub Terra seems to be a really cool company. Want to buy some? You can use my affiliate link in the description below, and that really helps with supporting my channel, keeping me going. If you want to see another one of my fun builds, just click right here. Okay, yeah, food scrap. Nom, 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 nom.